Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm glad you could join us today. Now, let's dive straight into today's review. We're talking about the 250% density HD lace front wig in a deep wave style, made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian Remy human hair. This wig promises a natural look with its 13x6 HD transparent lace, pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs, and a thickness that's sure to turn heads. Let's break it down. This wig features a stunning deep wave pattern, offering both volume and texture for those looking to add some bounce to their style. The lace is designed to be transparent, making it blend seamlessly with different skin tones, and the 13x6 lace area gives you a lot of flexibility for styling. Whether you want a middle part, side part, or even something more adventurous like braids or a ponytail. The hair is pre-plucked with baby hairs for a natural hairline, and it boasts 250% density, making it full, thick, and very bouncy. It's also versatile enough to straighten and restyle, but it looks stunning in its natural curly form, especially when wet. Now, onto my real-world testing. I wore this wig for a few days, including during some busy activities, to see how it held up. First off, setting it up was simple. Thanks to the adjustable straps and 3 combs inside, I got a pretty secure fit right out of the box. The cap size is average, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, so it should fit most head sizes comfortably, and I loved how breathable the lace was. No discomfort, even after a long day. The hair itself feels incredibly soft and smooth, with minimal shedding during combing or styling. When wet, the waves hold their form beautifully and the wig doesn't tangle easily, which is a major win for curly hair. Let's talk pros and cons. The 250% density gives this wig serious volume. It's full and thick, but still soft and natural looking. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs make it appear super realistic, especially with the 13x6 lace, plenty of room for parting and styling flexibility. Plus, the lace blends perfectly with most skin tones, so you won't have to worry about an obvious line of demarcation. Cons. While the wig is beautiful, the 250% density might be too much for those who prefer a more natural or lightweight look. The cap size is average, so it might feel tight for those with larger heads. Also, while the lace blends well, some users might need to tweak the fit a bit for a truly seamless look. Now, as for value for money, given the high-quality Brazilian Remy hair, this wig is on the higher end of the price spectrum. However, considering its density, the versatility of styling options, and the durability of the material, it provides solid value for those looking for a long-lasting, full and thick wig. If you're someone who likes to restyle or experiment with different looks, this could be worth the investment. Comparing it to other similar wigs on the market, there are certainly more affordable options, but they often compromise on hair quality or lace transparency. The 13x6 lace and 250% density do give this one a leg up in terms of styling, flexibility, and natural appearance. As far as build quality goes, the wig feels well constructed with sturdy lace and smooth hair fibers that don't shed excessively. Its ability to withstand restyling without losing its bounce is definitely a positive. In terms of customer support, I didn't personally interact with the brand, but based on customer reviews, the brand seems to have a solid reputation for responsive and helpful service, especially if there are issues with fit or hair quality. For alternatives, you could explore other high-density lace front wigs from popular brands, but be mindful that you might have to compromise on either hair quality or styling options for a lower price. To wrap it all up, the 250% density HD lace front wig is a great choice if you're looking for a thick, full wig with plenty of styling options. It's high quality and versatile, though it might be a bit too dense for some, and the fit might not suit everyone. If you don't mind adjusting the fit a little and prefer a bold, voluminous look, this could be a winner. If this review helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic, and until next time, stay fabulous.